And if you do want a bit more education, there is a sale on until tomorrow, end of Q2, end of 30th of June. VTP reduction on the VTP stage 2 swing trading and stage 3 intraday trading. Okay, there's a QR code there or a bit.ly code, or just ping me if you've got questions. Okay, so one company that does have its earnings this week is a pretty light, thin week. Okay, it's the end of the Q2 sessions. All right, it is okay. Well, is basically is Nike. Okay, so listen, most everybody knows who's Nike, a global sportswear footwear brand. All right. Once again, I'm interested because they're down here at a big round number, namely 40. Now why don't I normally say on the weekly charts, but let's look on the monthly charts here on this. Yeah, here we go. So you can see for yourself there that's been some fall from grace, hasn't it? Really, as a share price, that is most definitely what I would call a Duke of York chart. All right, okay. He marched them up to the top of the hill, and then he marched price down again. All right, and that has literally gone from 40 up to 180 and back down to 40. That is quite some move, isn't it? Absolute shocker of a move. Okay, so there's been all sorts of shenanigans going on. They've had to appoint a new CFO. Now they're all looking at, as I said, earnings is this week, later on this week, right? But it'll all be about tone, right? Tone on China, tone on margins, the inventory, the guidance, and whether the management have shown any real credible signs of a turnaround. All right. So you've got to look at, if the news is good, will 40 act as that support level, or if the news is poor, will 40 crack and we go lower, right? But that's been quite some chart, isn't it? That's fast. And as I said, that's the monthly chart on it.